students, previous session we had learned about the types of teeth in human beings, that is incisors, canines, molars and premolars. And today's session we will discuss about the parts of a tooth. That means what is our tooth made up of? दांत किस चीज से बना है और कैसे बना है, okay? And what is the structure of teeth? We will study in today's session. So first we shall read the content. Open the page number 218 of your textbook of the lesson Teeth and Microbe. So let's read the content.
Parts of a tooth. A tooth is fixed in your gums. It has its roots embedded in the gums. There are mainly two parts of a tooth. The white part that you can see above the gums is called the crown. The part that is inside the gums is called the root. The white part covering the crown is called the enamel. It is the hardest part of the human body. Then there is the dentine below the enamel. It is also hard but not as hard as the enamel. Below the dentine lies the pulp. The pulp is the innermost layer that has nerves and blood vessels running across. Students, look for the parts of a tooth figure. You can see the enamel, crown, pulp, blood vessels.
Now let us know what are the parts of a tooth or what is a tooth made up of or consist of. दांत के पार्ट्स कौन से हैं या फिर दांत किस चीजों से बना है. Okay, let's find out. So parts of a tooth. First is crown. So दांत का पहला हिस्सा कौन सा है? Crown. What is this crown or which part of the tooth is called crown? The white part. So the white part above the gum. Here gum means not that sticky paste which used to paste something. Gum मतलब गोल जैसा चिपकाने वाला गम नहीं. Gum means here मसूड़े. Okay, मसूड़े. You can see the दांत को जो होल्ड करके रखता है ना, fleshy type something. Okay, that मसूड़ा. मसूड़ा is nothing but the gum. Okay, so the white part above the gums, मतलब gums मसूड़ों के ऊपर जो white वाला हिस्सा होता है, that is called the crown. Okay, so what is crown means? It is the white part present above the gum. That is called the crown. And the second part is root. Now what is this root? The part that is inside the gum is called the root. So दांत का वो हिस्सा जो मसूड़ों के अंदर रहता है, that part is called root. Okay, usually we can see in plants also, right? So which part of the plant we will consider as root? Plant का कौन सा हिस्सा हम root कहते हैं? The part which will be present inside the earth. जमीन के अंदर जो part होता है, उस plant के part को हम root कहते हैं, right? Similarly in tooth also, the part of the tooth which will be present inside the gum. दांत का वो हिस्सा जो मसूड़ों के अंदर रहता है, that part will be called as root. Okay. Next is enamel. So what is this enamel? The white part. Even it is also a white part. Crown is also a white color part. Enamel is also a white color part covering the crown. Okay, so it will be covered. So the difference between crown and enamel. Crown will be the white part that will be present above the gum. But crown को ऊपर जो white color का part it will be present microscopically. You cannot see with our bare eyes. Okay, so the outer it will be like a plastic cover. Crown white part, उसके ऊपर एक और ज़्यादा white part ऐसा crown दांत को cover करके रहता है. That white part it is called as crown. Okay, crown itself is called a white part. But there is one more part which will be covered to this crown. That part will be considered as enamel. Alright. So this enamel, it is also a white part that will cover this crown. And the important thing is enamel is it is the hardest part of human body. Enamel, it is the most पूरी body को अगर हम कंपेयर करें, अगर इंसान अपनी पूरी बॉडी को कंपेयर करे तो इंसान की पूरी बॉडी का सबसे हार्डेस्ट, सबसे सख्त चीज कौन सी है? तो दैट मीन्स इट इज एनेमल. ओके, एनेमल इज द हार्डेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द होल ह्यूमन बॉडी. इंसान की पूरी बॉडी में से सबसे सख्त वाला हिस्सा कौन सा है? दैट इज एनेमल. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस एनेमल? एनेमल इज द व्हाइट पार्ट which will cover this crown. All right. Next is dentine. What is this dentine? The part that is below the enamel. Okay. Enamel के नीचे वाला जो हिस्सा होता है that is the dentine. Next, even it is also, dentine is also hard, but it is not hard when compared to enamel. Enamel की dentine भी सख्त होता है, but enamel की जितना नहीं. Enamel it is the biggest and hard. It is the hardest part of the human body. Okay. Then the last is pulp. Pulp means it is the innermost layer that is below the dentine. Okay. Dentine के नीचे वाला जो हिस्सा रहता है, that part will be considered as pulp, and this pulp it will be consisting of nerves and blood vessels. Nerves means nus. Okay. इवन हमारे दांत को भी ब्लड सप्लाई होना बहुत जरूरी है, राइट? एंड दैट ब्लड सप्लाई विल बी कैरीड थ्रू नर्व्स एंड ब्लड वेसल्स. थ्रू दिस नर्व्स एंड ब्लड वेसल्स ओनली आवर टीथ विल गेट द oxygen and nutrition through the cells flowing in the blood. Okay, so these are the 5 main parts of a tooth. First one is crown, second is tooth, third is enamel, fourth is dentine, and fifth is pulp. So crown, it is the white part above the gum. Gum means masode. Okay, and root, it is the part that will be present inside the gum. मसोड़न के ऊपर वाला part crown, मसोड़न के अंदर रहने वाला part root, and crown को cover करने वाला part enamel. It is also white in color, and enamel is the hardest part of the human body. And enamel के नीचे जो part present होता है that is called as dentine. And dentine के नीचे जो part रहता है that is called the pulp. And this pulp, the nerves and the blood vessels will be present. Now let us see the structure and the parts of a tooth through this graphical slide. But you have to note down the points which has been written on this blackboard also, and also the points which will be highlighting in this upcoming slide also. Okay, so let's have a look at this graphical slide and understand the part of a tooth.
Parts of a tooth. A tooth is divided into two parts, the crown and the root. The portion of the tooth that can be seen above the pink gum is called the crown. Gum means masode. The crown is the white visible part of the tooth, whereas the part of the tooth that is inside the gum is called root of the tooth. The tooth is firmly fixed in the gum. There is a hard white covering of the tooth which protects the tooth from decaying. Decaying means sadna. This is called the enamel, and it is made up of phosphorus and calcium. The dentine lies below the enamel, and inside it lies the pulp. The pulp is soft and has blood vessels that supply nutrition to our teeth. It also has nerves to feel the sensation. This is highly experienced toothache. Tooth decay मतलब दांत का सड़ना. Every time we eat something, small bits of food get stuck between the teeth. If we do not rinse our mouth after eating, these particles attract germs which starts feeding on them and also harm the tooth enamel. Slowly, small holes called cavities start forming in the teeth. If not treated in time, these cavities become bigger and start growing deeper into the teeth until they reach the pulp. When this happens, we'll get a toothache.
And that's about today's session. We shall end up our session here, and the further content, that is how to take care of the teeth and what is the need of the taking care of the teeth, that we shall discuss in the next class. Thank you.